Australia's highest court has ruled the policy of detaining asylum seekers offshore is lawful. Refugees and migrants who try to reach Australia by boat are sent to the Pacific islands of Nauru and Manus. The ruling means that more than 250 people who had been in Australia for medical treatment will be returned to the Nauru detention centre. Human rights groups have condemned the detention centres as unsafe. Well, let's get more on this from Chetna Prakash, who's live for us in Melbourne via Skype. Chetna, thank you very much. Good to see you there. So, is there any surprise then at this court ruling?
Surprise in that the High Court has said that the government has the right within the Constitution to send these asylum seekers back to a detention center in a foreign country. But this particular right, the government brought in through an amendment in the Migration Act after this case was brought into the court. So definitely, I think that the human rights groups are disappointed that the court did not take it into account that this was a retrospective change made after the case was brought in. And of course, now, but then if the court says that it's legal, then, well, the government was within the right to do it.
You say that human rights groups are disappointed. Has there been any response? Are they likely to challenge this in any way? Can they challenge this in any way?
I think that the legality of this particular right cannot be challenged. But however, the court has also said that the asylum seekers cannot be detained indefinitely in these detention centers. And that is something that needs to be argued over, because some of these asylum seekers have been there for over 900 days. So I think that's what also something that the human rights groups are now going to focus on and take forward to decide how long is too long. So because currently there is no limit for how long these asylum seekers are detained there, and some of the abuse that happens there also relates to the fact that, you know, some of these people have been there for years in these detention centers.
Okay, Chetna,
so,
thank you.
And of course, they're also focusing on the fact, yes.
Thank you very much for the update. Thank you.